It was the first day of college. New buildings, new faces, and a fresh breeze of freedom. Aarav entered the classroom a little late, trying not to draw attention. He spotted the last bench near the window. Quiet, perfect. He slipped into the seat. Just then, someone whispered, "Hey, that's my spot." He looked up. A girl, sharp-eyed with messy hair and a calm face, stood beside him. "I'm Meher," she said. "You're sitting in my favorite place." Aarav smiled. "Looks like we'll have to share it then." She raised an eyebrow, but sat beside him.
Day by day, that last bench became more than just a seat. It became a world of shared laughter, unfinished assignments, and quiet moments stolen between lectures. Meher would doodle in her notebook, while Aarav stared out the window, pretending to study. They never said it aloud, but something was growing, slowly, softly.
One afternoon, the sky broke into rain. Classes were canceled. Most students rushed outside, but Meher stayed. She looked at Aarav and asked, "Ever just wanted to stop time?" He nodded. "Maybe time does stop," he replied, "when you're next to someone who makes everything feel okay." She looked at him, surprised. For the first time, she didn't have a clever reply, just a smile.
The next day, Aarav saw Meher laughing with another boy outside the library. She didn't notice him. He walked away. In class, he didn't sit beside her. Meher looked confused. She slipped a note onto his desk. "Why are you acting like a stranger?" He didn't reply. That bench suddenly felt empty, even though they both sat on it.
After class, Meher found him near the campus garden. "Do you really think I'd forget you over a random conversation?" she asked. Aarav looked away. "I don't know what we are, Meher. I just know I don't want to lose whatever this is." She stepped closer. "Then don't. Just don't walk away." And for the first time, she held his hand.